Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading the audio messages you receive on Messenger. This can't be done from within the actual app, but it's very easy to do, so let's begin. Open up a web browser on your phone and go to facebook.com. Log into your account. Now tap on the Messenger button. Cancel any pop-up that wants you to open it within the app. Open the message that contains the audio. Now just tap on the audio clip to be prompted to download it. Tap OK and start downloading. That audio clip will now be downloaded on your phone and you can access it from the Downloads section. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.